All right, 10 seconds. I'm gonna go off camera.
COVID313 Coalition for Family you today. And a real we're going to talk about COVID, and we're going to be talking about some opportunities for I'm going to be talking about the election because really exciting show for you today. Director of Urban Neighborhood Initiatives and a real proud member of this coalition. Here's y'all, long time. And we just can't, and you all that week. Per usual, we want to hear from you. So this is, please put your, got a number of moderators, chat moderators that are really wanting to hear from you. And just to make sure that Brooke, a new moderator with us today, and Colleen are on their toes. Why don't you tell us? And while you're doing that, we are going to give folks that are in need of interpretation services that information. So I'd love to welcome Christina Guzman on to share. Christina.
Sí, buenas tardes. Si quieren interpretación en español, vayan al link que está en el chat y lo tienen en vivo. Gracias y que tengan un buen día.
Thank you so much, Christina. It's wonderful to have you with us again today. We're really lucky. And so normally we have ASL interpretation. They join us today. We will make sure that you know how have closed captioning. So if you want to view the town hall later today or later in the week, you can. And one of Lily. So Jametta, take it away.
About it's not quite 3 years. It's like, what time is it really, and how much time has gone by? But we do know this. So we know that COVID has changed of what's going on, but staying connected, even. And so to our audience, this is what connect. Asked to serve as the CEO of the Detroit Parent Network, member of this coalition from shout out. So in this space to take on our University of Michigan all of us have been juggling and staying focused on children and families through COVID. Our experts that are in the space with us and in to slow down enough for our translators. We want important. Be sure to turn off your camera when you're not speaking. We're also going to hope, as Christine mentioned, have a timekeeper. them, or either Christine or I will gently try to let you know we need you to wrap it up. We are so delighted to have you experts, and we're always super delighted to watch our programming that's being recorded. To you, Christine, because as we mentioned, the reality is state foremost. So you know who we got to bring to help give us the latest.
Yes. So with that, we would love for camera and join us. Health department, and we are so lucky to have her as a regular. About the latest COVID, but the latest it was a really difficult time for all of us. Can you please I'm assuming you have a PowerPoint. Am I right about that? So I am going to let you take it away, and so go ahead.
Thank you, Ms. Chris. It's always a pleasure to be much health department. Let me share my screen. Because first we need to talk about the data. 138,000, 3,500 confirmed deaths since the beginning. I kind of changed. We're looking at as far as the positivity rate, and why there's fluctuation there. The fluctuation is a time that we're gathering in the summer. If you look, just those numbers are because of the variances of concern that we have right now. And Delta